about the PMC, tech tips with Tim. Everything you need to know, just ask him. He knows proportioners, guns, hoses, and whips. For anything about phone spray, Tim's got the tips.
Hi, I'm Tim Newmeyer, Tech Service Manager with PMC. I'm here today to show how our part on our PX-7 gun work and are interchangeable within the Graco GX-7 gun. This is the PX-7 PMC 4 gun, and this is the Graco GX-7 4 gun. I'm going to show how the parts from the PMC PX-7 are interchangeable with the Graco GX-7. First off, I am going to show how the screen screws, especially the check valve assemblies that are in the screen screws from the Graco, I can take the PMC and remove the check valve assembly, and it will go into the Graco screen screw assembly. Okay, I'm going to take the PMC part, marked A. I'm going to put it into the A side of the Graco gum block. I'm not going to put this in the vise and completely tighten it, but it goes in. Okay. Take the B side, PMC screen screw assembly, put it into the Graco gum block. Ready? I have our rear packing nut assembly of the PMC, which has got the rear packing nut, which has got the packing inside. Okay, put that into the rear part of the gum block. Tighten that down. You tighten the rear body into the block. You don't have to tighten the nut yet. Now I'm going to show the gut block to coupling block gasket. I'm going to remove the Graco gaskets. Remove the PMC block gaskets and put them directly into the GX7. Okay. I am now going to take the fluid head. I'm going to reinstall it onto the now going to take the PMC valving rod. You can see it's our valving rod. We have the part number 200377 and the lot number of the valving rod stamped onto the valving rod, so you know it's on. You're gonna put that into the back of the gun and tighten it into the rear piston assembly. Okay, so now I'm going to install the PMC trigger assembly part into the Graco GX7 handle. I'm going to put this plug back in the back. And one thing to remember as well is that as you see with the GX7 gun, on the PMC PX-7 gun, we can also bring the air line from the back of the gun, and we also supply a pipe nipple that you can run the air through the bottom of the handle that will go into the bottom of the handle, and you can bring the air down like so. We have that ability on our gun as well. Okay, so I just put that plug in the back. I'm going to put the rear stop through. And push it down with a face there. Okay, I'm going to put the full valve assembly in. Okay, I'm going to put the actual, or that was the valve liner. That takes this full assembly with the spring, put that in, along with the retainer nut for the trigger. We'll tighten. Going to take the PMC trigger assembly. Going to that onto the GX7 as well. Give that a quick tighten. Now I'm going to use the PMC 4 module and insert it into the Graco fluid head. Put it onto the valve numbing rod, trigger the gun, back, and the PMC front packing nut, which is going to go onto the module. Tighten that down. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install the new style PMC PX-7 gun block. We've streamlined the block from its previous design. We've cut weight from it. So I'm going to install the PMC gun block onto the Graco GX-7. Use all the PMC parts that I used before. The valving rod. The rear 2-position stop, the mixing module with the front packing retainer, put it onto the rod, trigger it back, tighten it up. That's the PMC gun block on the Graco GX-7. This is the 4 application.
Welcome to PMC Tech Tips with Tim. Everything you need to know, just ask him. He knows proportioners, guns, hoses, and whips. For anything about those spray tips, got the tips. Welcome to PMC Tech Tips with Tim. Everything you need.
Thanks again for watching, and for any of your PMC parts that you might need for this for our PX-7 gun, make sure to reach out to your PMC distributors.